Hello. Ever wonder how some people seem to stay young and beautiful with smooth, wrinkle-free skin? Its secret is daily skin care. That's why we present you the famous Derma ProGenix Advanced Anti-Aging Serum, which differs from other anti-wrinkle serums because it uses state-of-the-art firming ingredients, a blend of skin moisturizing agents and vitamins. Once applied, it feels smooth, supple, and doesn't crack or flake like some other products. It gently pulls the skin tighter and smooths the skin surface. Click the promotional link in the description of this video and order your Derma ProGenix now. Its formula has several levels of action, ensuring the beauty and health of the skin and quickly perceptible in a continuous and lasting way. Derma ProGenix will help you to have a much more beautiful, youthful appearance. Order now at the link below and guarantee your Derma ProGenix with special offer. Derma ProGenix Advanced Anti-Aging Skin Care Serum is perfect for immediate relief of problem dry areas and perfect for daily use. Use Derma ProGenix daily and everyone will want to know your beauty secret. Order yours exclusively from the official website in the description of this video and guarantee the secret of more beautiful and healthy skin.